Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change an SVG.TXT or text file back into an SVG file that was shared on Facebook. So if you've ever been on Facebook in one of the Glowforge groups and you've seen a file that's been shared and it looks like this as a text file, and you click on this little link here, it's going to download this file. So it's going to look similar to this. I just hid all names available just in case people didn't want their names out there. So after you download this and you click right here on this like text file here, it'll download and it'll look like this. This is what it downloaded to. This was just the first available option to use as an example. So what we're going to do is if you double click on this, you can see it's just a text file full of like numbers and letters just everywhere. So obviously this isn't going to do you any good as a text file here. I'm going to show you how to do this here in just a second, but I wanted to show you as well, if you right click on this and click on properties, you can see that it is a text document right now. So what we want to do is we want to change that into an SVG file. Even though it says SVG right here, it is a text document. It's like a hidden .txt file. So what you want to do is open that back up in your text file here, and all you need to do is go to File, choose Save As, and then you can change this from the text file type to All Files. And what you want to do is just rename it. So I'm going to add a number 2 after this and leave just the .svg. Don't put .txt. And then you're going to hit Save. And then you'll exit out of that text file. Right here is the original, and then here is the new saved one. When you double click on this, as you can see, it is now a usable SVG file. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I know it was a real short video, but this has been one of the biggest questions throughout the Glowforge experience that I've been in a lot of groups that comes up pretty often. I never thought to make a video on it before, but I just thought this would help out the Glowforge community. I hope this helped you guys out creating SVG files from those text files on Facebook. Other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.